Hi, Victoria.
Hi.
I'm Jason.
I'm Victoria.
She's redheaded. This is Cooking with Red. You've been asking to do this for a while.
Yes, I have.
Her favorite food, biscuits and gravy.
Breakfast food.
Breakfast food. Yep. So, you ready to get started on making these biscuits up?
Yes.
You sure?
Yep.
And you gonna teach me how to do it? Because you've been doing this with Mama for a little bit. Huh? And your mama? So, we got about 2 cups sifted flour here. And we got about a ½ cup shortening. You want to put that shortening in that
All
hole?
of it?
Yeah. Not that's on there. We're going to grease the pan with that. Put all that in there. Reach in there and grab that and stuff it in there.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the bowl?
Yeah. There you go.
We need that little bit right there for the pan.
And we've got,
Easy. Just want to put around
we got
6
8
ounces.
ounces.
I'm going to put 6.
Well, we're only going to use 6 for right now. We're going to save a little bit in case we need some.
Maybe a little bit more, maybe. That looks good.
Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah, there should be 2 ounces there.
So, you want to start stirring?
Stir.
Stir that stuff up. Get it all mixed in.
Got shortening clumps. I'm just kind of cutting the shortening.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit here. Shortening and sticking in my spoon.
That's fine. Just keep going. You go with it.
This one's flour. Might need to put more milk.
A little bit more.
A little can do a lot sometimes.
It can. A little can do a lot. Especially right here.
This is kind of hard to stir.
You want me to help you out with it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It's just sticking in the spoon and all that.
I'm making dough. Biscuit
Yep.
dough.
You might need to add just a touch more milk. Let's see how much is in here.
Just a touch more.
Just a touch more.
Keep going a little more. All right.
There we go. I do not know how much how much milk. I just really need to make it to like a point where it's actually a dough.
Yeah. All right, Victoria. Grab that bowl good. All right. I think we've got our dough made. Set that over to the side. Now, let's
Fall off the table.
grab this sifter and take and run that flour through that sifter on the table here. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah,
That's it.
That way it's just good and fine.
It's nice and fine.
And we can sit here and
I'm just gonna help spread it out.
yeah, just spread it out. Get some on your hands so the dough don't stick to your hands. Right.
You just want to pat it on like this and then kind of wash your hands with it.
Now, we're going to take and knead this down some. Fold it over. And then fold it again. We don't want to do this too much. Now, you do that once or twice, and then we'll roll that out and cut it.
Like this way?
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Yep, fold it over.
We got parchment paper problems.
Push it down.
It's thick.
It is.
It's really thick.
Yeah, I'll help you. There you go. We'll fold it one more time, then we'll roll it.
This way?
Yep. Help build little layers in that biscuits.
There.
All right.
Do we need a roller now?
Yep. I'm gonna roll it out
Or
flat.
roll it, so I thought, do we need a roll?
Go for it.
Roll it out. Just gonna roll it a few times this way.
Take your roller and stick it in you. Get some of that flour on
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Make sure that stuff don't stick to it. There you go. All right. You got it.
We got parchment paper problems again.
Got that roller. It's just your size roller, ain't it?
We're having parchment paper problems.
It's okay.
Oh,
Let me help you.
yeah.
Roll the dough, roll the dough, roll the dough.
Rolling, rolling.
I think we're gonna go probably about 1/4 inch thick
Oh,
or so.
right there. Maybe. Do it on here. There and there
And then
there.
we will cut some biscuits out of this.
Yes.
I think. I think that right there is where we need to be. Put some flour on your cutter there, and let's do some cutting.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Just
You gotta put some flour on that thing. You're gonna
Oh,
stick
yeah.
it all to it.
Sorry, I forget
That's okay.
sometimes. I forget flour.
There you are. Yeah. That's good.
Let's add the squeeze to see if it'll
There's
come
one
up
biscuit.
with me. Start right here.
Mm-hmm.
Twist it. Come up with me now.
There's a 2 biscuit.
Uno, dos. This would be trace. Now I
You
can
got
choose- Yeah. Like a snowman.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can make one.
Oh yeah, you can get some more in there. Look, go right here in between those.
Yeah.
Right there. There's one. You can go right there.
Where am I gonna put this one?
There's another one. And then we can take.
You probably fit one right here, maybe.
Hey, look, it ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Yeah.
We can take and put this dough back together real quick. Right?
And we're just gonna do the exact same
We can
thing.
have some crazy biscuits.
Crazy biscuit.
Yeah, these are gonna make some crazy biscuits.
How?
Because they're gonna have all these crazy folds in it. You'll see when they come out.
Can't you just roll it?
Yeah. These are the kind of biscuits that your mama looks at me all crazy about. She says, that's not right. You be laughing because you know it's true. All right.
I know.
Yeah, you are. All right, now let's cut a couple out of this. Just to use up some of this.
You're so funny, Dad. Get those. Oh. Oh, there we go.
Mm-hmm. Now take the rest of that and make your best impression of a handmade bald biscuit like they used to, and we'll bake that too.
Doesn't really stick. It's like a good, it's really kind of hard actually.
This done got a bunch of flour in it.
It does got a bunch of flour.
It's all right. We'll have fun with it.
We can make a giant biscuit or we can make 2 little biscuits.
I'm gonna take this little bit of shortening right here.
I'm gonna make you a giant biscuit, Dad.
Rub it around in our pan.
I'm making you a giant biscuit. This one's gonna be yours.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm gonna make it nice and thick so it rises. more, so it's gonna be a big biscuit.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be yours. So this is gonna be your biscuit.
That's gonna be my biscuit.
It's gonna be your biscuit.
You know what's gonna go on that biscuit?
Jelly. Pepper
What kind?
jelly.
What kind of jelly?
Pepper jelly.
I like pepper jelly.
Jalapeno pepper jelly.
Jalapeno pepper jelly.
Spicy daddy.
There we go.
Daddy likes spicy.
You want to stick these in here?
Yes, this is gonna be your biscuit, so I'm gonna set it right here.
All right.
It's gonna be yours.
Let's see how many of these we can put on here.
I don't know, I'm like,
Oh yeah.
I think we can fit them all.
Oh yeah.
And then maybe
Uh-oh. Got one left over.
one left over.
You know what that means?
What?
That means we can freeze that one and I can have it for breakfast later on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep it shaped by doing this.
All right. We'll be back. All right, Red. We got our biscuits made. Well, they ain't went in the oven yet, but they made. So, we got to have sausage for sausage patties, for sausage gravy. So, let's make some patties. You want to grab some patty out, some meat?
Meat?
Yeah. And then we're going to fry us up some sausage patties.
How much? I don't know how much. That much?
Yeah, about that much.
It's cold. It's freezing.
Well, just come out the refrigerator.
The refrigerator or the freezer?
They come out the refrigerator.
You have a good refrigerator.
You know where we got this sausage from?
Cornbread.
Yeah, cornbread. Our buddy Cornbread gave us this sausage. He called us. Wanted to know if we'd come give him a hand. He had done got the biggest hog he had ever killed in a hunt. And needed some help stringing that thing up and getting it skinned out. So we went over there to help him, and he had some of this from a previous that he'd give us being over there. That was a big old hog, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Big old hog.
That good?
Yeah, that's good.
You set it in the pan now?
Mm-hmm. Just set it in the pan.
I'm tightening that.
Get this thing.
Make another one.
Yeah, we'll make another one, then we're going to use some. We'll make, yeah, about that one. Then we'll probably use the rest of this to just dice up to put in our gravy.
Look good.
That hog ended up weighing 330 pounds.
I knew it'd be some more on there.
That thing was bigger than you were.
Yeah. Alright. Another sausage.
Yep.
You
Good deal.
Set another sausage. Is that gonna be all?
Yep. We'll get this going, we'll get it browned up, and we'll flip it over. All right, Victoria, you want to flip these sausage patties?
Yeah, me?
Yeah, you.
Okay.
Just get under them and flip them over. There you go. You got it.
You want to put the last three?
Sure. All right. Sweet. We'll let that side cook a couple of minutes and we'll pull them up and we'll get our sausage that we're going to put in the gravy made up.
Yep.
All right, baby doll. You ready to cook this sausage up for our gravy?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We done pulled our patties up. Go ahead and take it. We can just take it and dump that in there.
Yeah.
We ain't even got to touch it. Take your spatula there.
And chop it.
Yep.
And chop it up.
Yeah, just like we do ground beef when we're making tacos or spaghetti or anything like that. There you go.
Move to the center a little bit here.
All right, we're gonna get this chopped up and get it cooked down, and then we'll get our gravy started. All right, baby doll, you ready? Make up some gravy?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we got our grease in the pan. We're gonna add some flour to it.
Oh, I've never seen flour like that. Never seen flour just like do that.
Yeah. I'm gonna work it into a, get it thick here. We're probably gonna have to put some more flour in it.
Probably.
A little bit more. There we go. That's going to be it. You want to grab our milk here?
No.
Well, cream diluted down with some water. Start pouring that in here.
All of it?
Yep. Nice and slow though. All right.
Stop.
All right, now keep going. You see how the bubbles kind of calm down? Now you can go ahead and pour it a little bit faster. But you don't want to pour it fast at first because you don't want it to shock and splash and go everywhere.
All of it?
Yep, all of it.
That's all. There we go.
All right. Now, where'd our pepper go?
Pepper.
Put some salt in here.
A little bit of salt.
And there's our pepper.
Pepper.
Some pepper. All right, stir that up for us.
Start.
Yep.
Gotta agitate it.
Mm-hmm.
And stir.
All right, now while you stirring that, we're simmering that down. We got our oven preheated. Once you step back just a second, we'll slide our biscuits in the oven while our gravy's getting made.
It's a hard oven.
Right there in the center. 475. It'll go to about 10 minutes, about the time it takes us to make this gravy up. We're gonna keep stirring, simmer this down until it gets the consistency we want for the gravy, and this stuff's gonna be done. All right. This is starting to thicken up a little bit, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our sausage back into our gravy. Do. Stir that in now. This thing simmer down some more, thicken up, and that'd be done. All right, Red.
Yep.
You done cooked us up a good breakfast here.
Me?
Yeah.
You too.
We did.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna get this biscuit you made up with your hand. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm
Look at
gonna
that.
get this one.
That thing still turned out good. Look at yours. I'll cut that down because I'm gonna save that right there for a little bit of jelly.
Pepper jelly with jalapenos in it, so it still counts as jalapeno in every
I like to
video.
crumble my biscuit up.
So today still does count as jalapeno because you have jalapenos in your jelly, your pepper jelly.
I like jalapenos.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get our sausage gravy here.
Cut this in half.
You want some?
Yes, please.
That bowl's hot.
Closer.
Set it down right there in front of you. You got it?
Yep.
Get us a piece of our sausage we cooked up. Old cornbread give us.
Which is also in this gravy. Exact same sausage. One more scoop. There we go.
All right, let's try this stuff here. Let's see if you did any good. I think you did great.
A piece of sausage.
Victoria,
Yes.
you did really good.
Definitely hot, but it's good.
That's good. Tell you what, that might not be right, but that's what we like. We're gonna finish up breakfast here. Y'all have a great one.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.